Hey there, this is Benji and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got 15 common Chinese verbs for you. These verbs are going to help you to build and expand your vocabulary. And it's super easy to apply it to writing and speaking. If you are a beginner who just started learning Chinese or an intermediate who wants to improve your spoken Chinese, I have a new course called Master Practical Chinese in 30 days. And we cover different topics, different aspects, and there are many useful phrases and sentences extracted from daily conversations. I will link it in the description box, and if you are interested, please go check it out. Alright, without further ado, let's get started.
So the first essential verb is 听, which means hear or listen. These two common phrases that you will use a lot. The first one is 听到. The second one is 听见. 听 plus a noun, let's say music, 听音乐. Now let's see the example sentence. 我听到一种奇怪的声音. Or you could say 我听见一种奇怪的声音. 我喜欢听音乐. 我喜欢听音乐. Next verb is speak. 说. The first phrase 说话. The second phrase 说什么. Example sentence 1. 他们在说话. 你在说什么? What are you talking about? Next one we have read or study. 读. Read books. 读书. It could mean study as well. The second phrase is 阅读. 他正在阅读. 你要好好读书，知道吗？ Next one we have the verb write. 写字. 写文章. She is writing. 她在写字. How to write an article? 怎样写文章? Next one is frequently used in our daily life, which is 吃 eat. 吃饭. Here 吃饭 means eat the whole meal, not just the rice. 吃东西. 你吃饭了吗? 你不要吃东西了，认真学习。 Next one, drink. 喝茶. The second one is 喝饮料. 你喜欢喝饮料吗？ 我喜欢喝茶. Next one, play or have fun. 玩耍. 玩一下. Here, 玩一下 it's a casual way to say it to have fun or to play. 他和他的好朋友在玩耍. 我想和朋友出去玩一下. These verbs has a few different meanings. It could mean do or make and be. The pronunciation is 做什么. The second one is 做饭. 做饭。你在做什么？你在做什么？你长大后想做什么？你长大后想做什么？妈妈在做饭。妈妈在做饭。This verb is can. Can. 看书，看书，看电影，看电影。我爱看书，我爱看书。I love reading. 你喜欢看电影吗？你喜欢看电影吗？ Do you like watching movies? 哭，哭，大哭，大哭，哭泣，哭泣。那个小朋友在大哭，那个小朋友在大哭。那个小女孩在哭泣。Laugh. 笑，笑，大笑，大笑，微笑，微笑。他们在大笑，他们在大笑。那个女生在向我微笑，那个女生在向我微笑。Next one we have hit or fight. 打，打，打开，打开，打架，打架。你能帮我打开这个吗？你能帮我打开这个吗？ Stop fighting. 你们别打架了。你们别打架了。Jump or hop. 跳，跳，跳远，跳远，跳舞，跳舞。他擅长跳远。你会跳舞吗？ Next verb is run. 跑，跑，跑步，跑步。Run away. 逃跑，逃跑。我爸爸每天都去跑步。那个小偷逃跑了。The last one is 走，走。Walk. 走路，走路。Go away. 走开，走开。他们打算走路回家。If you want to tell someone to go away, you could use this sentence. 你走开，你走开。
That's all for today's video, and I hope this video is helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this in the future. And I will see you in the next one. 再见。